Stop. No! Told you I'd get you back. Are you fucking... I'm gonna kick your ass. Stop.
There's more where that came from. I thought it was gonna go down his boxers.
Yeah, I'm gonna kick your ass. That's bad enough. Stop.
Let me get on camera.
Fuck.
Ooh.
I'm gonna break your phone.
That wasn't me. Negro.
Fuck you, man. What the fuck? This one is big. Fuck you.
We warned you. We warned you. And I think that's enough. Where's
Fuck,
it?
stop.
You've just been pranked. Here's the camera. Hey. Ashton Kutcher's right there. You got him good, guys. Come out. What happened to you? Tell me what happened to you.